geopolitics is so much intertwined with semiconductors. So companies make decisions on which countries or which regions to take a bet on from an R&D, design, manufacturing a point of view, from a chip making point of view. And it applies for India as well. There is China plus one strategy of diversification that many companies are pursuing today. So how important does geopolitics as a criteria play in the minds or in the decision making of executives as they make a call on which regions to invest in?
I think we would be naive if we didn't say it was one of the most powerful forces at play right now. The request to get manufacturing out of China.
Yeah.
Apple says, great, I'll move it to India.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a perfect example of an opportunity for India, for India-specific products with Apple that could initiate unique IP, create impetus for semiconductor development in that region. Yes, the move initially is device manufacturing, but that doesn't preclude extending the relationship to more semiconductor and IP development in the future.
So you start somewhere and build from there.
Yes, absolutely.